Start off with connecting one of the short aluminum poles that has a spring button to one of the 90-degree connectors as shown. Connect the other short aluminum pole that has the spring button to the other 90-degree connector. Make sure the connectors are turned the opposite way. Next, connect the short aluminum pole with the two holes in the middle to one of the long poles. Align the spring button on the long pole to the hole in the short pole and snap into place. Insert the other long pole into the opposite side of the short pole to complete the support pole. With two people, slide your awning print onto the support pole. Face the white area away from the tent and the printed area toward the tent. Now, attach the short pole with the 90-degree connectors onto each side of the support pole. The spring pins will be facing down with the solid black area facing up. Next, attach a black connector to the tent leg. Insert the pole into the black connector and tighten the knob clockwise while the second person helps hold up the support pole. Attach the other black connector to the other tent leg. Insert the pole into the connector and tighten the knob like with the previous leg. Now, attach the loop fastener on the awning to the hook fastener on the tent's valance. Lastly, attach the hook and loop fastener straps on the print to the two 90-degree connectors, the two straps by the tent legs, and the strap located in the middle of the print by the truss bars as shown. Your tent awning is now set up.